Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to automate ANSYS Fluent Simulation using Python. In my case, let me tell you, in my case, I had 5 to 6 heat source profile for different tracking error. Tracking error means actually I'm working on parabolic disk collector, and there will be, the system can't be perfect, and there will be some different tracking error. So for the each of the tracking errors, I have to run simulation individually. So now let's say I have 5 heat source profile, and for all the heat source profile I have to run simulation. So what I have done, I have created one base case file in Fluent, and here I am using this is the location for the base case file, and here this is the source directory for the heat source, and all heat sources are kept in this folder. And after that I have defined the Fluent uh, location in the C drive. Then how many cores do you want to use, just define it. If you want to run, let's say you want to run 2 simulations at a time, then you have to define here 2. Even you can use 4 depending on the your system configuration, and this is the number of iteration. You can define it here itself. After that, here I'm using uh, UDF coupling. Actually the heat source I am defining as a cell zone condition, so here I have defined some lines for coupling part, and this is the TUI codes. So the Python itself will do the all the coupling process, and then at the end it will run the simulation and will save the case file, data file, uh, in a particular folder. And these are the some codes for, like, after running the simulation, the code itself will store into a particular folder. And yeah, this is the uh, all you can run using Python for automate the Fluent. Yeah, so doing so you can save a lot of time. You should not put each and every time your effort for the coupling, for the reading the input profile. So yeah, it's really helpful during my research. So I hope you can use this technique. You can use this uh, Python driven simulation using Fluent. So I will give this UDF or this entire Python code in the description, or I will uh, give you a Google Drive link so you can download it and you can modify it as per your need, and you can use it accordingly. So yeah, this is all for this video. Thank you.